Hi folks, I just want to quickly go over how you create a PDF from your drawing file in Fusion 360. We went over this at one point, but I'm not sure you remember it, so I wanted to create another video going over it again. So first and foremost, if this isn't showing, make sure you just click the data panel. The 9 little squares in the upper left-hand corner shows you the data panel. Then what you want to do is you are going to find your, let me find it first. Get out of here, please. If I click into IED, locate this open on the web icon, and you're going to click on it. It's going to take you to an external link for Fusion 360. And that looks like this. You'll locate the folder that you have your drawings stored in, whichever period you're in. Folder or activity 2.2.5, drawing. Access that folder. So just to show you what I'm talking about, let me see if I can find. Let me go to one of my drawings. So I'm not showing any of these in particular. There we go. So again, you're in the IED. I'm showing you for mine. So if I go to the drawing file, make sure you have it labeled correctly. I can go over here and I can click on the download button, and it's going to say, what do I want? I want a PDF. I'm going to click on that. It's going to say the chase drawing is being exported to PDF. What this is going to do is it's going to send you an email, the email file of your drawing. Depending on what email you put in will depend on which email it goes to. I think I have my school email logged in, so I'm going to give it a couple seconds, maybe a minute total, and this is going to send my school email a copy of that drawing. What I'm going to do from there is I'm going to open the email. Yours might be your Gmail. I'm going to open that email, open the file, and I'm going to download it. I'm going to either download it to my computer or I'm going to download it to Google. For those that have the ThinkPad, so you're going to want to save this file that's being sent via email to your Google Drive. I recommend everybody does that, but again, it's your choice. From there, once it's saved in your Google Drive in my specific class, you can upload it into Schoology for the 2.25 activity. And that's what I want for that activity. So let me give it another minute. Okay, once you have the email, it's going to look like this. This is what it looks like for mine. I'm going to hit download file. This is going to give me the ability to download that PDF into my file explorer on my computer. For you, it might save somewhere else, but there you can see it right there. So I can then take it, and if you're on a ThinkPad, you might have to move it to Google Drive because this might be saved to your desktop. For some of you that are on the Chromebooks, just move it into your Google Drive, drag and drop, click that file. So if I were in Google Drive, I'd click, drag, and drop. And then I can go into the project itself and save it. So that's how you're going to download your PDF of your drawing. Again, you got to get into the web version or the web page of Fusion 360. Click on that little arrow once you've accessed your drawing and hit the download. It's the export. That wasn't a drawing file, so obviously that's not going to work. PDF. All right, let me know if you have any questions.